What career is right for me? What should I do to take up the right career? These thoughts will occupy your mind continuously. With this confused state of mind, you may wander places to gather information to set up a bright career ahead. In the end, you would want to pursue a career that will benefit you for a career or for a lifetime. Ask yourself some basic questions with selecting the right career. What do you like doing best? What are you good at? Does your does your preferable career suit your personality? What kind of lifestyle you prefer? Such reflective thoughts and portions will help you in your career selecting choices. Meanwhile, we present you several diploma and degree courses that are offered after 12th exam. Reading through this information will give you a short glimpse of these courses and help you to select your right career and create a bright future. So first is diploma in fashion designing. Why choose fashion designing as a career? You are interested in clothes and accessories. You have a good fashion sense and sense of design and style. You like to experiment with style and designs. You want to create outfits for people. You can draw or sketch. What will you study in the fashion designing course? Fashion industry, language, history of fashion design, fabric selection, design principles, garment accessory design, stitching methods and patterns, functioning of industry. What work you can you do in the initial years of your career? You will assist your team, seniors, designers in garment designing. Based on your interests, skills, and creativity, you could end up working as an independent fashion designer or a senior lead fashion designer in reputed garment design manufacturing companies. Typically, your work will be to design and create clothing for men, women, and children, costumes for theater, television in film industry, accessories, and footwear. Course duration is 1 year course after 12th. You can also go for diploma in computer applications. So why you choose computer application as a career? Because computer excites you. You are interested to learn about computer softwares and languages and work in this field. What will you study in the computer application course? Some topics, that is basics of computer and operating system, MS Office, information technology, internet, HTML programming languages such as C, C++, Java, etc. What work can you do? You can create and develop computer applications such as word processors to automate office process, database application, test, update, and maintain application post launch. Course duration 1 year after 12. You can also go for diploma in yoga. Why choose yoga training as a career? You are interested in health and fitness or have a background in it. You are learning yoga or interested deeply in yoga. You like to train and motivate people related to health and fitness. What will you study in yoga training course? History of yoga, traditional and contemporary yoga, postures, yogic practices and therapies. What work can you do? You can either work part-time or full-time in health centers, schools and colleges. You can also open your yoga center. Typically your work will involve teaching yoga position, breathing exercise, and helping people meditate, helping people improve the lifestyle choices and life quality. Designing yoga curriculum, specializing in teaching specific student groups such as pregnant women or patients. Course duration 1 year course after 12th. You can also go for diploma in banking. Why choose banking as a career? You like finance and related subject. You like to work in bank. You're not sure which will interest you because banking doesn't require special skill or talent. A person with an average aptitude can have a promising career in banking. Banks have more number of holidays than in private companies. What will you study in the banking course? Some topics: financial institution, global markets, banking laws, bank structure and forms, credits, foreign trade and foreign exchange, customer bank relationship. What work can you do? Duties in bank and variety in nature. You could work in departments such as personal banking, retail banking, loan servicing, wealth management, investment banking, deposit operations, electronic banking, commercial banking, mortgage banking, etc. Depending on role, you may need to interact with customers on a daily basis, guide them with bank products, resolve queries, monitor staff's duties, and supervise bank process. 1 year course after 12th.